Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you guys how to make your own Minecraft servers, including modded Minecraft servers on your Proxmox servers, and honestly running your own Minecraft servers locally. Now it's not just for Minecraft, it's also for Steam, Steam games, other games as well. I don't exactly know, but I'll show you all the list after. And yeah, I'm gonna try and make this video as quick as possible. Start off, there is a couple of requirements. I'm going to show my PC specs up on the screen right now. But I do recommend at least having 16 gigabytes of RAM and at least having some form of multi-cores. Right now I only have 4 cores on this CPU, which is more than enough. Or is it 4 or 6? I already forgot, honestly. But the more cores, the better. The more RAM, the better. But let's get straight into this. So I'm going to first start off by making a brand new VM. And in this VM, I'm just going to call it like Minecraft server. And I'm going to run a Ubuntu server, live server. It does not matter what version. You should go to Ubuntu, whatever you guys would like to call it. Just go to download this one right here, and you'll be fine. And then, of course, get it to your Proxmox. Next thing you know it, you're gonna go to Steam, blah, blah, blah. Okay, or system, disk, okay. Everything looks good. I recommend having at least 20 disk size within this. It helps a lot. Also make sure you have discard up as well. I'm going to click next. CPU, cores. I'm going to do 4 cores. Maybe I was reading the whole thing wrong on mine. I did 4 cores on my other one, so I'm just going to show that. RAM, this is very important. I'm going to do 8 gigs. Yeah, I don't know why. That's not even 8 gigs, that's a little bit less, but still, I want a good amount of RAM because I plan on doing modded Minecraft servers with this, and you do need a lot of RAM just to run that. But if you're doing basic Java, I recommend doing at least 4. 4 is a pretty good spot, especially if you're gonna do like 3 to 6 people. Network, it's up to you how you want to do this. I have right now a Ethernet in, so should be good. Actually, let me make sure one thing. Okay, yeah, we're good. And then finish, and then bam. So now I'm gonna start this brand new server real quick. I'm gonna do install server. All right, and this does take a little bit of time, especially if this is your first time ever doing this. I will be putting a GitHub below on how to do this, and just giving you guys all the commands you need to, so you don't have to remember it all from scratch. So right now it's just connecting. Okay, now we're just gonna do this, Ubuntu server, yes, 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 continue. Okay, done. Really, I'm just going through it and just keep clicking done and continue. For now, I'm just gonna fill this out. Server's name, you guys know as well. Username, Minecraft server, password. Yep, gonna make it any form password. Nope, you don't need Ubuntu. I like doing SSS. It might make things a lot easier later on, so I do recommend doing the open SSH. You can just skip all of this. You don't need any of that. Then you just wait for it to finish.
1 hour later.
Alright, now that it's done, we're going to do a reboot real quick. So reboot, it's going to restart this. One thing I will recommend you guys doing, and also sometimes Proxmox does this dumb thing where it keeps doing this failed, so sometimes you have to come in here and actually forcefully shut it down. I don't know why Proxmox does that. It's a very odd thing that it does. Maybe it's just mine. I could not tell you. Yeah, so I just gotta give that a second to shut down fully. Alright, I meant to say stop. I don't know why I kept trying to do shut down. That was the wrong thing for me to do. So now I'm gonna restart it. I'm gonna also make sure that it starts up correctly, and a thing that I do recommend is also installing Webmin, so you can pretty much watch it anywhere. Whoa, what a flashbang. But yeah, so let's first log into it. Hopefully I set the right password. we are going to ignore the fact that I named it Minecraft server for some reason, my username. But yeah, let's get straight into this. So first thing I recommend doing is, of course, installing Webmin, so then you can actually actively monitor how much your RAM and stuff is using. So let's first get our IP here. So our IP is 10.0.0.68. So that's good to know. One of the first things we're gonna do, whoa, flashbang again. Gonna get a couple of those. I'm gonna actually SSH into this because that is a lot easy to do and so I can actually copy and paste as well. Wow, what a username we got here. So the first thing we're gonna do is install this. I will put this in the description, or you will see it on my GitHub. So I'm going to say yes. We're gonna install that. It's gonna take a nice little second. Okay, installed. Let's do the next thing. Nice flashbang. Thank you very much. Yes, I don't know why I keep going back to that, as if I don't need to copy and paste things from here. And then the final thing here, we're just going to install this as well. This is a long thing. All right. All right. Let's just see if this thing is up and running. All right, it's up and running. If we would like to test this, we can by going to our IP that we have. No, it's at 10,000. Holy, wow. I am crazy with my ports these days. You're going to log in with the same thing that you did with your Proxmox. So, oh, forgot, Minecraft server. Oh yeah, unbelievable. That's crazy. Okay, cool. So look at that. We got Webmin starting. Very good to watch how much space you have left and stuff like that. Now let's get to the actual Minecraft server, which is right here. It is called Kubecoders. Kubecoders is very cool in the aspect of, well, actually, I guess I can just show you. So we're going to install it. We're going to do it with a Ubuntu, of course, because we are using Ubuntu. We're just going to copy and paste that right into here. All right, pretty sick. Oh yeah, you have to do sudo su. Make sure you're in root. Okay. What am I going to name my admin? I'm going to name it snow. Password. All right. I am not going to use Docker. I'm going to say no. You do not need to click enter. It's going to automatically do it. Make sure you remember that. I'm not going to be running Minecraft servers. That is what this entire video is about. Yes. Am I going to run Steam, CMD, Rust, Arc, CSGO, TF2, things like that? If that applies to you, click yes, but to me, it does not apply. I'm going to say yes for now. To enable HTTPS, if you have a domain, you can. If you don't, just say no. And then when you're ready, click enter. And then we're going to give it a second to start updating this whole thing. Alright, so now that it's done, we are going to come back onto here and we're going to do 80.80, that IP that we just had. Let me just do 68. And then now it's going to open up your AMP. So we're going to log in with the username that we created before. And then log in. Save. Sure. Now this is where you have to get a license key. So you will have to get your own license key. It's around $10, but it's better than paying $13 every single month. This is a $10 flat fee for unlimited amount of service that you want to get in the future. So make sure you get that in the description. I am not affiliated with this at all. I get zero money from this, no referrals here. But yeah, that's actually unfortunate for me. But this is something I highly recommend for anyone to do. It makes it very easy, and it's also like an easy panel for you to do things with. So yeah. So once you put your license key in, you're just gonna have this. Now, if you're trying to do like big servers, like 200 plus people, you're gonna have to get a developer key. Now that's not that much. That's like $20. I bought it. I don't even know why. I just kind of did. But I'm not doing that, so I'm gonna stick to standalone. I don't need all of this, and I'm gonna click next. Gonna click, if you want to deny it all, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna say yes. So we're gonna restart AMP, which only takes a couple of seconds. Yeah, so it's within 30 seconds. If it takes longer than that, and I don't know what to say. Actually, let's see how long this takes. I don't remember it taking long. Oh, there it is. Okay. So now I'm going to log back in again. Okay, logged in, and bam! Now we have a brand new panel. It's just like my other server as well. Get a nice little tux right here, the penguin. Tux is the name of the Linux penguin if you do not know, but you probably know that because you're probably more of a Linux freak than I am. But yeah, so then all you would have to do is just come here, click an application, the game that you want to do. Now you can see there is a lot here, but let's just say we're going back to Minecraft Java Edition, sick. So if we want to start that, friendly name option, I'm going to call it modded Minecraft. Yeah, let's just do that because, you know, we're original here. Do nothing. Make sure it does not start instance on boot. I don't know why it does that. I have zero idea. I'm going to click create instance. And now this is very cool. And if you were wondering how to do mod packs and stuff in here, I'm going to show you how to do that because I only play modded Minecraft because I don't like vanilla. Now, if you really were just doing vanilla, it's as simple as easy. Just click play, blah, blah, blah. But mod packs is where it's at. So let me just go straight into here. So you're going to first see, this is our little panel right here. The first thing I'm going to do is go to configuration. I'm going to go to Minecraft. I'm going to give it 7,800 bits of memory, so 7 gigabytes. I'm going to say powered by Snow because we are pretty fire here. What I'm going to do, the thing I'm going to do, holy, I cannot speak today, is go into here and I'm going to do the permanent second. This is a very fun mod pack. I really do enjoy it. I'm still playing it with my friends right now, but what you would have to do is click download server pack. So I'm gonna do this once more. This is probably like my third time. No, it is not. Ooh, okay, well that's showing my thing, but I'm gonna blur it out because yeah. Alright, so now that is downloaded. Now you might ask, what do I do if I want to get these files into here? So this is where it gets a little bit tricky. I recommend downloading a certain app called WinSCP. I will put that in the description. It's very useful, especially if you are doing things with your Homelab or virtual servers. It's so you can connect to your files, so you can like move files around within it. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Now, if you want a quick way of doing it, this is actually kind of like easy supported. So what I would have to do is come back here, click on File Manager, and you see this, connect to SFTP. Don't ask me what that means. I actually have no idea. And I can just click Open. Oh, it's gonna come up with this right here, except it's going on my other monitor. I'll have to do the password of this VM. Okay, and now I'm in. So now I have my this side is my personal computer, this side is VM's computer. So now all I would have to do is I would probably, oh actually I guess I would come back here. Oh yeah, look at all my files here. It's absolutely amazing. I know it's a mess. You don't have to tell me twice. Now I'm going to use the ones that I downloaded before and I already extracted. Make sure you extract it into another folder. Going to double click it. You're going to find mods. You're going to drag mods into here. Oh wait, let me not be dumb real quick. Do that in here. Click mods. Put it right through here. It will upload all the files within there, one computer to the other, without having to do like USB stick transfers. Now if you do that, you disgust me. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, this is actually definitely something that has saved me so much time, and it makes life so much easier. Let me also do the config. This is technically optional, but it's almost mandatory at this point. Alright, that should be done in 2 seconds. And I like doing default configs as well. I like trying to keep everything I can. Now, you don't need to do modern fix or any of this. Just do these 3. If it asks for any more, ask ChatGPT because I don't know the answer. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. And if I just refresh, you're going to see, wow, everything is here. That's so great. And then, yeah, so now that we have everything in here, it should say pretty much everything that's correct. It's going to give me my IP address I'm going to use, which is the one that I use for this. If you wanted to make your own, there's a couple of different ways you can do that. I might not really go into it today, but I will say if you're trying to make it public, you will have to go into your network, like into your router, and you're going to have to do a port forward, which if you would like to see a video about that, please let me know. I'll make it easy, fast, of course, understandable. I know I can't speak for the life of me right now. This is just today, I promise. But yeah, so I'm gonna just click start. And oh, I forgot about one thing. I do have to go to configurations, Minecraft. I have to change the fabric version because the version of this modpack is 1.21.1, and for some reason this one breaks if I don't do 16.14. Could not tell you why. Make sure I do download and update. Let that thing be done real quick. Okay, it's done. And now I'm going to click start. I'm going to accept the terms of Minecraft, long story short. I'm going to go into console and watch this thing pretty much start up. While I do that, I am also going to, I am getting an error. What did I do wrong? Let me guess. I'm having a feeling that I probably screwed up my configuration on Minecraft. What did it not like? Also, I'm going to turn off sudo network. Oh, wait, am I just being dumb? Yeah, 20. Oh my god, it's 21. Okay, so yeah, it's... Yeah, I was like, wait a minute, why does this seem so close? I know I did everything right. There you go. Now everything should work. Back to normal, of course. And we're going to do that second attemption real quick. Alright, so stop, start, and now everything here should have 0 errors. I'm only the king of errors. Yeah, now these, don't worry about these errors. This is like Minecraft being dumb. Don't ask me about that. Now I'm gonna also load up this to show you how it is. Yep. Right. Load up good old thing. Okay, there you go. So while I load up Minecraft real quick on here, hopefully my computer does not absolutely die. That'd be lovely. Now it shouldn't, but there's always that chance that it could. Now this is a big modpack. This thing has like almost 500 mods, so it's kind of important that it gets through everything, so it might take a hot second. It will be using high CPU usage and RAM usage at the beginning, but it will go straight down later on. Right now, it's pretty much all done. It's currently preparing spawn, so it's just loading up the world. Let's see, will my modpack actually load before the... It's actually kind of crazy that it is. Let's see. I hate this new Discord feature, bro. The thing where it shows like who's online and stuff. Oh my god, we live another day. Okay. So now it's going to be done in a couple of seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here. I'm going to copy and paste. And server is up. I'm going to come right here, copy it, come back over here, go to multiplayer. Now this is my other server that I do with my friends, which I just took down. Put my server address, which is just the address of, or the IP of the server or the VM that I'm using. And then bam, see that? Ooh, I'll get 1 millisecond ping. Bro, the computer's right next to me. I have no idea. Usually it's 0 ping, but I'm not going to question it. So now I'm going to join this world. Alright, let's see. Come on. Maybe I'll put some audio for this. Hopefully it won't absolutely destroy your ears. It might destroy my ears. Okay. Alright, this is elite gameplay right here, guys. Why am I always spawning in this area? I have no idea. What's good, bro? How you doing? So yeah, and as you can see, there is going to be no lag because I am right next to it, but with some of my friends who are all the way in a different, okay, this thing's loud. And let me at least turn you down. For my friends that are in different states, and even one from, of course, London, I'm based in New York. This actually works very well, depending on how you do your network configurations. I highly recommend doing that as well. But honestly, out of the box, this thing works very well. I don't really know what else to recommend with this. Like, it's just pretty good. It's just pretty good. I don't know. Like, this is how you run a Minecraft server locally on your Proxmox machine. If you have any questions, please let me know. But of course, I still do have the what's it called? The GitHub below. So yeah, besides that, have a great day.